I get home, took all my dirty clothes, took a shower, start relaxing. In 10 minutes they call me. Got a service call in Jefferson Valley, which is an hour ago from here, hour and 15 minutes ago. So walking freezer down. I'll see you there. This is my walk-in freezer. So right now the box is 40 degrees right now. Fan is not running. Got no ice in the back. So we're gonna take a look outside and see what we got. The thermostat is calling for 0, actually minus 5 degrees. All right. We're gonna look for the condensing unit for the walk-in freezer. Everything is pretty quiet over here. I don't hear nothing going on. This is snowing already. We're supposed to have 3 inches tonight. Alright, disconnect switches are on. I don't know why they do that. First thing will be to check if we got power. Oh, fuses. I love them. Let's check that first. First of all. Okay. You gotta be kidding me. All right. Well, we got no power here. All right, let's check inside. Alright, that's the condensing unit, and they got the breakers right behind this door. The guy doesn't have the key, but I managed to open this door without the key. So Jesus. Alright. Doesn't look like it's here. This is gas. Got more breakers inside here. Freezer, condenser, and evaporator. Ooh, that's not good. Something tripped. That's the one. Well, let's see what we got. Strange, I got one breaker for the condenser and the evaporator. Oh no, this is the evaporator. 9, 7, 9 and 11 is the condenser, and this is not the one that it tripped. The one that it tripped is the freezer evaporator. So they're always fun. Oh, Jesus. Let's see what we got. Alright. That's better. I got power. Let's check the condensing unit really quick. Alright. I got power now. Nothing is happening over here. So let's go back outside. Alright. Back at the condensing unit. I believe at this point we have to see if something else is happening. Jeez, I can't even see where the screws are. It's all ice. Come on here. Jesus, come on. I'm getting pissed. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, of course, of course. The last one. Oh, there's another one here. Okay. Okay. Now, there she goes. Alright, let's take a look at those fuses. And we go from there, I believe. It's not the clock. the fan cycle control. This is the high pressure switch. Well, it's not grounded, not open windings, so that's a good thing. But anyways, I don't like those connections. Probably gonna take a look at them later. Alright, there she goes. Let's try again. Alright, she's fan second control is fine. Let's see what we got here. This is the high pressure switch. Come on. Alright. All that is garbage. I need a crate. Well, it looks like I got no power here at all. Come on, man. Let's take a look again. Cooler condenser. Oh, that's the cooler condenser. So I was wrong. This is condenser and evaporator. This guy. Ah man. Freezer, heat tape, and light. 13. This one is not tripped. Actually, nothing is tripped. Up. Yes, number 38. 38. Oh, coffee outlet. And looks like 28 outlets. No, everything is good. Alright. Alright. So what the heck is going on here? Got no power over there. So why? Control. All right. Two 208. Okay. All right. Bad fuse. Good fuse. Bad fuse. Oh, only one fuse is good. Think out of the box. Yeah. All right. One. What the heck is it? VR30. All right. I think I got 30s in my truck. I hope. Let's take a look. All right. I found two TR30s in my truck. Man, I'm very lucky tonight. Okay, let's check this out. Good. Good. All right. All right, I replaced all 3 fuses. There